Hey everybody, AJ Valdez here, and another review of some stuff I bought on basically an unboxing, kind of a review, and we might make something out of it. Might even go live on YouTube to see how this goes. But I bought this material, Cymaking material, and I just want to say this guy, his name is Jazz Graphics Inc. Right? I hope I said it right. Jazz Graphics Inc. Packaging is really good. This is Dibond. It's Cyme material, and I think it's really cool, really good. And so we're gonna open it up, look at it, and see see how it is. Right? Let's check it out. But this thing's heavy. Let's check it out. So this stuff right here, this is Dibond, right? You can see here it has a layer of metal, and then a layer of rubber, and then another layer of metal, and it's like aluminum. This in America they call this ACM, aluminum. I say aluminum because that's what we say. I was grew up in Ireland. Aluminium composite material, some pretty good stuff. And this is for sign making, so I can make signs like this. I think maybe we should try to make a sign a day. I'll mount it, make a sign, and see how it goes. Yeah, really cool. I'll show you his shop, and then we can see. I might record myself making a sign then. So here we are on his shop. This is the name of the shop, Jazz Graphics Inc. Right? They have over 13,688 sales. All kinds of cool stuff, right? A lot of like laser cut stuff, license plates. Yeah, a lot of license plates. This is really nice. Personalized license plate 3D. Just sick. I was thinking about if I do get a laser cutter, I can make license plates. But really cool. A lot of laser cut. Oh, that's really nice. $64 for this. How big is it? That is nice. It's not that big. How big is this? 3M vinyl. There's all different kinds. Really cool. Wonder how big it is. I don't see the size. Oh, approximately 15 inches wide. So it's not that big. It looks big, right? Because of the barn, the angle, but it's only 15 inches, so like a foot, you know? But yeah, really cool. They do a lot of cool things. Now the stuff that I got, you can get it in any size. I know that. I know they do custom cutting. They do round ones too, like a 22-inch aluminum composite. How many do you get though? If you only get one, $80 for one. So this is like a custom cut. You can make a sign out of it. You know, a lot of people probably buy this and just stick a decal to this. Then there you have a sign. There's smaller ones, 2-pack, really cool, 8-inch, 12-inch. They have bigger ones. And look at oval shape. They do benches. That's sick. Oh, 1,500. That's one of their big products. I say that is absolutely beautiful. You gotta appreciate the craftsmanship in this, right? Really beautiful. Oh, look at, you even get lettering on there. I wonder if that's laser cut or that's vinyl. It looks like it's vinyl, but could be wrong. I don't know if it gives you the description, but really cool. Yeah, so check this shop out. See what you guys think. Personalized name signs, custom license plates, custom magnets. That's pretty cool. So they do they do laser cutting, which is sick. Mini license plates. Oh, for the wagon. I used to have one of these when I was a kid. Sick. I used to have one of these when I was a kid, and I had to give it away because we moved. I was living in Seattle, Washington for a year. My parents were missionaries there, and I had to move. I had to leave my wagon behind. But I would have blinged it out with the license plates. Oh, look at, see, they do have a cut. So this is Dibond. This is the stuff that I'm using. Well, it's called Dibond or ACM or ACP. I guess that's for panel instead of material. I'm not sure, but you can get custom cut laser. They have the cut. It's an expensive laser because I was looking at lasers to cut this, and regular for you guys to know that laser cutting, a regular laser like a 50 watt or a CO2 laser won't cut aluminum. Like it won't work on the plastic. They said it melts it. It's hard to get through. So whatever laser they have is top of the range. But yeah, I bought this material off them, and it was a good price because I'm looking at whole sheets, right? For a whole sheet, it comes 8x4. For a whole sheet's $100, right? And I got a deal on it because I put it in my cart, and then it sent me a coupon. So it only cost me like $47 altogether. Half the price of a full sheet. And I needed it cut up anyways into these sizes. I make smaller signs, right? So I was like, sweet, this is a win-win. So yeah, I'm happy with the purchase, and I want to show you guys. I want to make a sign. I want to show you guys how it all works. So yeah, we'll get into it. But yeah, check them out. Jazz Graphics Inc. Top seller. 13,000 sales, 13,688. No messing around. But if you're looking to get stuff, customer service was great. Packaging on that was great. You've seen the packaging or the print on it. Everything came good. Like I think it took me like a week to get it, so which is good to know. Anyways, yeah, let's probably make a sign a day. A sign that I wanted to print for a long time. take it off the machine. Now that it's printed, and we're gonna laminate it. And basically the laminate looks like this. It's the roll of laminate. I'm gonna cut what I need off of it. So I'm gonna cut this off right here. I need about 20 inches of laminate. Cut it right here. And there we go. That's all cut out. Now we're going to mount it to the board. All right. Open this up. Tuck that side in. Then we're going to reverse it. Just like that. And the same thing, we'll wheel it through. And there we have it. It's on our, it's mounted. And there we have it. Look at it. What do you guys think? It's mounted onto the board now. It'll adhere to it. But we got our Fire Mage sign. What I want to get a corner rounder to round these, but they're like $1,000. They're really expensive. But I probably will get one because I think this looks so much better if the corners are rounded. You know what I'm saying? What do you think? It looks good, huh? But I'll do that. I need to cut a little bit off the edges. It's hanging over the edge on this side. The cool stuff about this Dibond stuff is it's real easy to cut down. There it is. There's our sign. Emrys the Fire Mage. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like. This is just a quick tutorial on how to do this, how to mount signs. How to basically, you can get this Dibond in any color. They come in all different colors. It doesn't matter if you're doing full color print like this. Let's say you were just putting like just vinyl over it with like a stencil. Then the background color won't matter. They do this in all. They do this in blacks. They do this yellows, reds, green. So you get all different colors. It really doesn't matter for this sign because I did a full color print. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Please follow my channel for more content like this. I also tell you about my Etsy shop. We'll bring you more stuff. But thanks guys for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.